SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD is a leading provider of HVAC design services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience in the industry, we have gained a reputation for delivering high-quality and efficient HVAC designs for residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Our team of experienced engineers and designers work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide customized solutions that meet their needs. When it comes to HVAC design, we understand the importance of energy efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Our team utilizes the latest technology and software tools to design HVAC systems that are not only efficient but also sustainable. We take into account factors such as building layout, occupancy, ventilation requirements, and climate conditions to create designs that optimize energy consumption while ensuring optimal comfort levels. Our HVAC design services in Marathahalli, Bangalore encompass various aspects of the system, including heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. We carefully analyze the project requirements and conduct detailed load calculations to determine the appropriate sizing of equipment and ductwork. Our team also considers factors such as noise control, indoor air quality, and compliance with local building codes and regulations. At SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD, we believe in delivering reliable and cost-effective solutions to our clients. Our HVAC designs are not only efficient but also easy to maintain and operate. We provide comprehensive documentation and drawings that help clients understand the system layout and facilitate smooth installation and maintenance processes. SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd is a leading provider of HVAC design services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Our team of highly skilled and experienced engineers specializes in designing efficient and sustainable heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems for residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. At SCONDESIGN, we understand the importance of a well-designed HVAC system in ensuring optimal comfort and energy efficiency. Our team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and design customized solutions that meet their needs. We take into consideration factors such as building size, occupancy, usage patterns, and local climate conditions to develop HVAC systems that deliver superior performance while minimizing energy consumption. With our expertise in HVAC design, we help clients achieve significant cost savings by reducing energy bills and maintenance costs. By utilizing the latest technologies and industry best practices, we ensure that our HVAC systems are not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. We prioritize sustainability in our designs by incorporating renewable energy sources and implementing energy-saving measures wherever possible.